Hello friends, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Akfazi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about types of chemical reactions. So I will start with the combination reactions. Do you know what is combination reactions? Look at these reactions. This is calcium oxide. We called it quicklime. And this is water in liquid form. This combined together and forming calcium hydroxide equals, we call this slacked lime. So take a small amount of calcium oxide or quicklime in a beaker. This is beaker. Take a small amount of calcium oxide. Slowly add water to this. You can add slowly water on this and touch the beaker. Then you will feel either cold or hot. If you feel hot means exothermic reactions. If you feel cold means endothermic reactions. So I am not going to that exothermic, endothermic. Just I am trying to convey you some reactions occurs after adding calcium oxide and water. So calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slacked lime, releasing a large amount of heat. Definitely this is video बना रहे okay, exothermic reactions. In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product. You see, this is different compound and this is different. So these two compounds combine together form this single compound, calcium hydroxide. Such reactions in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as combination reactions. This is known as combination reactions. Just remember it for your exams. So I will show you. Do you know this? Read it in your books. A solution of slacked lime produced by the reaction is used for whitewashing wall. Calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with the carbon dioxide in air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the wall. Calcium carbonate is formed after 2 or 3 days of whitewashing and give a shiny finish to the walls. It is interesting to note that the chemical formula for marble is also calcium carbonate. So you have the calcium hydroxide aqueous calcium hydroxide. It reacts with gaseous carbon dioxide and forming calcium carbonate. So a solution of slacked lime, this is your calcium hydroxide, we call this slacked lime, is used for whitewashing wall. Calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with carbon dioxide, in air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the wall. What? Thin layer of calcium carbonate on the wall. Calcium carbonate is formed after 2 or 3 days of whitewashing and gives a shiny finish to the walls. It is interesting to note that the calcium chemical formula for marble is also calcium carbonate. So let us some more examples of combination reactions. Let us discuss. Here is the burning of coal. You know, this is the coal. You have seen the coal in the solid form. It reacts with oxygens and gaseous. It gives carbon dioxide gas. You see, this combined together forming carbon dioxide. And formation of water from H2 gas and O2 gas. You see, hydrogen react with oxygen forming water. These both are in the gaseous form and water in liquid form. In simple language, these two combine together forming a single product. These two combine together forming single product. This is combination reaction. We can say when two or more substances combine to form a single product, the reaction is called combination reactions. Now, other example of exothermic reactions are, because these reactions what I show you here, this is exothermic reactions because heat released. So we observe that large amount of heat is evolved. This makes the reaction mixture warm. Reaction in which heat is released along with the formation of products are called exothermic reactions. If you feel after reactions heat on wall of your beaker, means heat release. We call it exothermic chemical reactions. Now another examples for the exothermic reaction is burning of natural gas. You know, burning of natural gas. This is the gas methane. It burn in the presence of oxygen. It will give the carbon dioxide and water. So do you know what is respiration is an exothermic process? This also giving a lot of heat. So respiration is an exothermic process. We all know that we need energy to stay alive. We get this energy from the food we eat. During digestion, food is broken down into simpler substance. Your food is carbohydrate, protein, fats. For example, rice, potatoes and bread contains carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are broken down to form glucose, and this glucose combined with oxygen in the cell of our body and provides energy. The special name of this reaction is respiration, the process which we will study in next chapters or next video I will show you. So this is the glucose react with oxygens. This is aqueous form. This aqueous form give the carbon dioxide H2O, and this is the indication of exothermic reaction. With the equation, this reaction give the energy. So the decompositions of vegetable matter into compost is also example of an exothermic reactions. Identify the type of reaction taking place where heat is given out. If heat is given out, exothermic reaction. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.